Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Want to turn your passion into a profitable side hustle? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about 5 key points to starting a successful side hustle, from identifying a need in the market to building a website and establishing a strong online presence. We'll cover everything you need to know to turn your side hustle dreams into reality. So, are you ready to tell your boss, "I quit to work for myself"? Hit the like button and let's get started. The first key point for starting a side hustle is to identify a need or opportunity in the market. This means researching and understanding the current market trends and identifying areas where there is a gap in the market that your business can fill. One way to do this is by conducting market research. For example, by gathering information on your target audience, competitors, and industry trends. This will help you understand what products or services are currently in demand and what your target audience is looking for. For example, let's say you're interested in starting a side hustle in the health and wellness market. You conduct market research and discover that there is a growing demand for plant-based and organic products, but that there's a lack of options for locally sourced and sustainably produced items. This presents an opportunity for your side hustle to fill the gap by offering locally sourced and sustainably produced plant-based and organic health and wellness products. It's important to remember that identifying a need or opportunity in the market is not just about finding something that you are passionate about, but also something that has the potential to be profitable. It is essential to be realistic about the potential of your idea. And if it lacks potential, it's better to pivot and find something that aligns with both your passion and has a market demand. Overall, identifying a need or opportunity in the market is crucial for the success of your side hustle, as it sets the foundation for the rest of your business plan. By understanding your target audience and the current market trends, you can ensure that your business is meeting the needs of your customers and standing out from the competition. The second key point for starting a side hustle is to create a business plan outlining your goals, target market, and revenue streams. A business plan is a comprehensive document that outlines the strategies, tactics, and actions you will take to start and grow your business. When creating your business plan, it is important to establish clear and realistic goals for your side hustle. This could include short-term goals such as reaching a certain number of customers within the first 6 months, or long-term goals such as achieving a certain level of annual revenue. It is also important to identify your target market, which is a specific group of people you plan to sell your product or service to. Defining your target market will help you understand their needs, preferences, and pain points, which will inform your marketing and sales strategies. Additionally, it's important to establish multiple revenue streams for your side hustle. This could include selling products or services directly to customers, as well as exploring other opportunities, such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and advertising. Creating a comprehensive business plan will help you stay organized and focused on your goals, and it will also serve as a valuable tool for attracting investors and partners. It is also a great way to understand if your idea is viable and if it's worth pursuing, or if you need to pivot. Overall, a business plan is an essential tool for starting and growing a successful side hustle. It will serve as a roadmap to guide your decision-making and help you stay on track as you work to achieve your goals. The third key point for starting a side hustle is to build a website and establish a strong online presence through various platforms. A website is a crucial tool for any business. It allows potential customers to learn more about your products or services, and also a way to make sales online. Additionally, creating and maintaining active social media accounts such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter will help you reach more potential customers, build trust and authority, and ultimately drive more sales. Having a website gives your business credibility and makes it easy for customers to find you online. It also allows you to showcase your products and services, provide information about your business, and communicate with your customers. Establishing a strong online presence goes beyond just having a website. It also includes creating valuable content and engaging with your audience through various platforms. The fourth key point for starting a side hustle is to network and market your business to potential customers. And let me tell you, networking is like dating. You can't just sit at home and expect customers to come knocking on your door. You gotta put yourself out there, go to the parties, or in this case, networking events, and talk to people. Networking is all about making connections and building relationships with people who can help you grow your business. This could include other business owners, industry experts, and potential customers. By building these relationships, you can gain valuable insights, advice, and access to new opportunities. Marketing is another important aspect of networking. It's all about promoting your business and getting the word out there. This could include advertising, social media marketing, content marketing, and more. The idea is to make sure that people know you exist and that you have something valuable to offer. So, in short, networking and marketing is like dating and partying. You gotta go out there and mingle with the right crowd and let them know you're available and awesome. And remember, don't be afraid to ask for help or even a little promotion. The fifth key point for starting a side hustle is to be prepared to invest time and money into the venture. Starting a business, even a side hustle, takes a significant amount of effort, dedication, and resources. In terms of time, you will need to invest a significant amount of time into your side hustle to get it off the ground and running. In terms of money, you will need to invest in various areas such as website development, marketing, inventory, equipment, and other operational costs. It's important to have a clear understanding of the costs involved in running your side hustle and to have a plan in place to fund it. Understand that there is a level of risk involved in any business venture, and a side hustle is no exception. It's important to be prepared for this and to have a plan in place to address any potential financial challenges that may arise. The last key point for starting a side hustle is to be patient, persistent, and to be ready to learn from failures. Starting a business, even a side hustle, is like a roller coaster ride. It's full of ups and downs, twists and turns. And just like a roller coaster, it's not for the faint of heart. It's important to understand that starting a business takes time and effort, and it's not always going to be smooth sailing. You may encounter setbacks and obstacles along the way, but it's important to remain patient and persistent in the face of challenges. Another thing that is important to learn from your failures: failure is not a bad thing. It's an opportunity to learn and grow. It's a chance to figure out what went wrong and how to do better next time. Failure is a teacher, and it's essential to take note of what you learned from it and how to apply it in the future. In short, starting a side hustle is like a roller coaster ride, and it's not for the faint of heart. It's a journey that requires patience, persistence, and the willingness to learn from failure. So hold on tight, enjoy the ride, and don't be afraid to fall, because the best lessons come from our mistakes. We hope you found this video helpful in starting your own side hustle. Remember, starting a business takes time, effort, and dedication, but with the right plan, patience, and persistence, you'll be able to turn your passion into profit. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful content on starting your own business. And remember, the journey to success is not always a straight line, but it's always worth it. Thanks for watching.